Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI trading tool that will help you analyze tokens, find brand new and bullish tokens, and also you can do automated AI trades using the same platform. But before that, I need to remind you, not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's AI tool. Today, we are talking about a crypto trading assistant, an AI tool, AI bot kind of, called CoinGPT. Actually, it's my second video about this tool because I'm a big fan, I'm a big user of this tool, and I believe everyone can actually implement this tool in their flow and actually make better decisions and also buy tokens faster because, of course, it's automated. So as usual, first of all, I'm going to jump into the website. I will show you all the different features, and later we're going to talk about the actual bot, how it works, and I will show you a few of the examples, how can you use it to your advantage. So CoinGPT is your ultimate AI crypto trading assistant. You can see how many different platforms they actually implemented, partnered, and working together. You can see lots of big names, exchanges like Bluefin. You can see also Bybit, Binance. So basically you can actually connect your Bybit or Bluefin or OKX account and trade using this bot, and I will show you how easy it is to actually set up. So CoinGPT harnesses the power of OpenAI technology to analyze real-time data across any cryptocurrency and time frame, providing clear buy-sell signals, in-depth analysis, and effortless trade automations, all accessible to the dedicated free Telegram bot. So you can see what really stands out. First of all, of course, it's free. Second, you can actually analyze any tokens and get buy or sell signals. And I think this is really great if you're a professional trader, if you're a beginner, because you can actually make informed trades. For example, if you decide to buy Bitcoin, long Bitcoin, you can actually go to this AI, click on Bitcoin, and you can actually double check what are the chats saying to the AI and actually double confirm your bet and your trade. Or for example, you can hear out different opinions if your opinions kind of mix with AI. Next up, we have some of the features. So we get buy and sell biases, SL and TP levels, so optimize stop loss and take profit levels. So basically you can actually set up automated stop loss and take profits. Again, it's really important if you're trading or if you're trading with leverage, because of course you need to have some stop losses, because of course you don't want to lose your whole position. Next up, you can use it on any crypto and any time frame. So basically you can select any crypto because there's so many different tokens right now, and you can analyze any time frame, for example, year, week, 1 day, depending on what kind of trader you are, day trader or long-term trader. After that, you can auto trade. As I mentioned, you can connect CoinGPT to your exchange like Binance or Bluefin, Bybit, and actually do automated trades straight from this bot on your centralized exchange. Again, really great. And lastly, you can actually ask their AI, which is called AskGPT, for any crypto question. Again, really great feature list. So this is just a quick overview of the features and the website. And now let's jump into actual bot to see how it works. And of course, you can find all the links in the description for the actual bot. So let's jump in. As I mentioned, this is the Telegram bot. It's free and really easy to use. So once you open it, you will have this button start, because you can see I used it before. I'm actually using this bot because it's free and also it has really great data. So first of all, of course, you can analyze tokens. So let's click analyze. This will give you all the different tokens you can analyze. For example, we have the main coins, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We can also find top gainers. We can also find top losers. So basically you can find all the tokens, all the different charts, top meme coins. But for this example, let's go for Ethereum. I really like analyzing Ethereum because I believe Ethereum is super undervalued. There is not much hype, but I think there's lots of potential. So let's click on Ethereum, and this will open our analysis, kind of a dashboard explaining you what's happening in the market. So right now you can see CoinGPT gave us the token price. It gave us direction bias. So basically it would recommend us to buy or long this token. And also we had the take profit amount and stop loss amount. So basically you can actually copy one for one. Again, not financial advice. Of course, it's speculation. It's just a bot. You always have to decide for yourself. And of course, never invest more than you can lose. Not financial advice. But basically with this bot, you kind of can see where the market is going and of course, make more informed decisions or get a second opinion. Next up, of course, I mentioned they have different time frames. So let's click on change time frame and let's go, for example, I don't know, let's go weekly. So this will give you analysis of the weekly time frame. Again, you can see the token price, and direction bias is actually neutral, which I kind of agree. This token, Ethereum, is kind of moving sideways. And I'm actually personally accumulating Ethereum for a long time because I think Ethereum will pump, because lots of tokens pumped and Ethereum kind of sit there quietly. But I think, of course, Ethereum is still the leader, is still number 2 after Bitcoin. But Ethereum, of course, has more utilities. It has centralized apps. It has way more things to do with Web3. And I think Ethereum and Solana are my top bets. Off topic, but I think these are my top bets, not a financial advice as usual. Next up down here, you can find all the different options for this token. As I mentioned, you can actually auto trade. I'll show you later how to actually connect the wallet. We also have coin information, and you can even generate charts. So let's click generate charts, and this will actually generate the chart. Let's wait. We can see the countdown is coming, and we have our chart. You can see it also on the trading view if you're using trading view. But if you click right here, you can see the chart of the token. And if we're talking about different charts, you can actually even analyze images. So let's click right here, images. And if you upload any image of the charts, this tool actually can analyze this image. So for this example, let's jump into the coin market cap because it's really easy to do screenshots. So for example, again, Ethereum, and right here we have weekly chart. And let's click right here and download charts in JPEG format. So let's do that. I downloaded our image. Let's jump in back to Telegram, and you can upload the photo just right here. So I upload my picture. Let's send it. And the AI will analyze our image. So you can see photo received, waiting for the analysis. And you can see we have our analysis, the current price, major support line, minor support line, and major resistance. So basically you can see how much information you're getting just by uploading this screenshot. You can also see the indicators, biases. You can see the token chart is looking slightly bullish. Again, you can see the targets for the take profit, take loss. So you can see how much information you're getting, and it's all free. Again, really great tool. I think everyone should use it. Even if you don't agree with this AI, it gives you second opinion. So let's click again on the menu. Next up, we have this button called Auto Trade. As I mentioned, you can actually connect any of centralized exchanges, as I mentioned, Bybit, Bluefin. And if you want to do that, we actually have a really simple instruction right here. So you can click Setup Now. This will open this form, and you can actually do this really, really easily. So first of all, of course, you have to have centralized exchange account, SEX account. So for this example, you can see right now they accept Bybit, Bluefin, and Binance. So if you don't have these accounts, you can actually sign up using their links or links in the description. So for example, let's click Binance, let's click Next. And all you need to do is just fill out this form, and this is how you connect your centralized exchange to this bot. Once you do that, you can again go to Analysis, Analyze. You can click on, for example, Solana, and you can click right here and start doing automated trades. Again, really good. You can set up stop loss, take profits. All these important settings are right here in one place. And as I mentioned, it's all free. You get so much information about different tokens, even meme coins. You have top gainers, top losers. You even have news. And also, if you have any questions about crypto, you can ask GPT, basically anything about the markets, about the tokens, and AI will try to, of course, give you the best answers. So basically, when I decide to trade, for example, any of these tokens or like meme coins, I just click on these tokens, check out the weekly chart, daily chart. I see what AI thinks. Should I buy it? Should I sell it? And if my opinion and AI opinion agrees, I usually buy the token. Again, not financial advice, pure speculation. But if there is disagreement, I actually read why this AI thinks I should not buy this token. And actually, I make more informed decisions. So again, it's all free. You can use it. The link in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.